Hey everyone, so here's a quick demo of how you can easily update a transcription error in Ancestry records to make sure that your ancestors and relatives are recorded correctly. So I was just looking for a distant great-great-granduncle, and I noticed that, again, I've seen this in a few places for this family. It keeps saying Barris when the surname was Barnes. So I can immediately see both the mother and father are that. Now, because I've come in and the person I'm looking at is correct, I can't correct it here. And actually, the better way to do it is if I go into the original record, and then if I come down to toggle the person icon on, and you can see it all here. So if we look at the top, you can see John Richard Barnes, and that is definitely right, is right, but then Annie Barnes has become Annie Barris. So the easy thing to do here is if I click on her and click again, and then I can change it here. Now watch, there is a reason for doing this, as you'll see in a moment. So let's say transcription error. You can add an explanation, but I'm not going to. And if I do save, this is where it's really handy. You can do it for all of the family, because you can see the ditto here has come down and all of them have been transcribed incorrectly. So tick that off, and even others on the same, maybe on the previous page. Okay, and there I recognize all these names, so I'm confident in doing this as well. So if I do that again, sorry, and I just untick the one that is clearly an error and apply, it submits them in bulk. Now check out my other Ancestry Records videos here for more workflows and tutorials, and I'll see you there.